get this pool filled then, so you can all have your swim.
Yay!
This may take a while.
Aww.
Maybe we should come back tomorrow.
Oh,
Time for Mama Help to head back to the station.
Toodaloo.
I think Maya has spotted something.
Wait, Mama, help. I think we might need your help again.
Is there a fire? Cat in a tree? Earthquake?
No, I was wondering, could we use your big fire engine hose to fill the pool?
Now, why didn't I think of that? That's a great idea, Maya Go. Hold on tight, everyone.
Here we go.
That should do it.
Swim now?
Absolutely. The pool is officially open for swimming.
How exciting! And remember, no splashing. Oh dear, I spoke too soon.
Splash!
I never leave home without my swimsuit. Oops, I forgot. No splashing.
Aww.
Well, maybe just this once.
Yay!
Ah, there's that ball that caused all the trouble. Oh, don't do it, Doggy Go!
Oh, Doggy, go!
Not again, Doggy Go!
Maya, go every day. Maya, go, laugh and play. Maya, go, what do we say?